This video is going to show you how to make roasted walnut cinnamon rolls. And I have 2 loaves of frozen bread dough that you buy at the grocery store here. I'm going to roll it out. Have flour down so it doesn't stick to the table. We're going to roll it out till it's about 1/2 inch thick. All the way around. Buy the frozen bread dough in your dairy section, and then you put it in the refrigerator overnight and unthaw it, and then the day of it's already unthawed. When you take it out of the refrigerator, then you just roll it out. I also have a recipe for sweet dough in my cookbook that's on Amazon, or you can make your own recipe of bread dough. This I'm just showing you the easier way how to do it. Once you get the dough all rolled out, then we put margarine on it, or you can use butter. Just spread it all over the dough. Leave about 1/2 inch on the edges. You don't need to have it clear to the edge. Just put butter all over it. And again, this is 2 loaves of bread. Okay, once you get all the butter spread out, or margarine, then you need enough sugar to cover the whole thing. So a couple cups. Just spread the sugar out all over, covering the margarine. This is regular cane sugar. Okay, after you have the sugar on, then we put cinnamon on. Sprinkle it all over the sugar, just like that, covering all the sugar. Okay, then we're going to roll it up. Just start rolling it just like that all the way across. I'm going to tuck in the ends. Roll it a couple times. Tuck in the end. Roll it. Just keep rolling it. And then put the end down on the table. And we're going to stretch it out. After you get it all rolled up, then we kind of squeeze it together so it's all the same size all the way across there. What we're going to do is cut this in about inch thickness. Okay, all the way. All the way down. And these are going to be big cinnamon rolls. So we're going to have to let them raise for about an hour or 2 till they're twice their size before we bake them. Okay, I sprayed my pan with non-stick cooking spray, but I'm going to put 1/2 cup of melted butter in the bottom. Okay, then we put brown sugar in. You just take your hand, sprinkle the brown sugar in, just a light layer, spread the butter around. Just make it so there's a light layer of brown sugar. A 1 pound bag of walnuts, and we're not going, they're whole walnuts. We're not going to grind them or anything else. We're just going to put them right on top here, on top of our butter and brown sugar. Sprinkle them all over your pan. Sure I get them on the edges. Okay, once you get all that in there, then we put our cinnamon rolls on top. Turn them like that. Put them right on top of your nuts. Just like that. Leave a little room in between each one for them to raise, because they're going to raise twice their size before you bake them. Now that our cinnamon roll dough has raised to twice its size, it's ready to bake. We're going to bake it on 375 for 25 minutes and then check it. We want it golden brown before we take it out. And then once we take it out, we're going to flip it over so the walnuts will be on top, and it'll be like a walnut maple glaze on top of cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls were in the oven for 30 minutes. Now we're going to put aluminum foil over top of it and a cookie sheet. And we're going to flip it over so you see the walnuts. A knife underneath it to get it off. Watch the steam. Don't get burnt. This will be scalding hot. There is your walnut roasted cinnamon rolls. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy my recipe. Till next time.